Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint new avatar of Lord Vishnuji. In this avatar, Vishnuji came to earth in the form of child and he asked Raja Bali for 3 steps of land. So let's start. So this is the grid drawing of Vaman Avatar, in which Vishnuji came in the form of child. So this is the umbrella and this is the kamandal which he is supposed to have. And these are the symbolic rocks which he had, on which he is standing. So we have this grid drawing which I have transferred on this paper. This is a 80 GSM paper on which I have transferred. Before doing anything, I would like to give black outline, which I do with the pen quickly, and then I will fill the background paint because the background paint will take time to dry and then we can paint this. So this is the umbrella. I have used yellow carbon to transfer this. This is the hairdo. ये कान है उनका and these are the hair. This is the kundal, earring. These are the hair which are coming. And this is the umbrella's stick. 4 fingers which are folded, and actually he is holding the handle of kamandal with this. Here the dushala or shawl is coming. This side, this is the shawl. Fingers will be shown folded because he is holding the umbrella's handle. कमर में हम धोती दिखा रहे हैं. ये इनका होली थ्रेड जा रहा है. ये बेसिक ड्राइंग बन गई हमारी. अब हम इसके बाद इसमें बेस कलर देना शुरू करेंगे. मैं ये ऑरेंज कलर यूज कर रही हूँ, डल ऑरेंज कलर. I'm using this orange color for background. Our first coat is over. We'll wait for this to dry. We will start giving color to different parts of our painting. Like for example, we will paint green color, this green color in the body of Vaman Avatar, like we have always done for Vishnuji. So I think I've covered all the body parts. Now next is umbrella. Let's make umbrella some light color. Flash tint. I'm giving the base coat of red color, and upper part I'll give some other color, brown or something. And then we'll do the alankaran or decoration with the white. So we have to give some contrast color to the dhoti. Normally, Vishnuji's dhoti is shown with the yellow color. Now here in the center, I want to give some contrast color. Now bottom, I want to give base green color, very dark green. And then we'll do designing on it with light green. This is very dark green. These are the symbolic rocks. I'm giving a coat of purple color on this blue. We have almost done the base color work. Now I'm going to take black paint and we will start with hairdo. So this is black paint, and as usual my 000 number brush. First I'm drawing the outline of umbrella. We are decorating the umbrella. This is white paint, and we can do this with dotting tool also. I'm going to take very light green and show here some fallen leaves. Now in the leaves we'll give a touch of white. This makes it Pattachitra. Also here we'll show in the rocks little check. It will look like this. Now I'm going to make the tree and background booty. So for tree I'm going to use darkest green color. On the tree, we are going to show the leaves. That is optional. Flowers are optional. Let leaves dry. Then, if you want to show, you can show the bunch of flowers like we have shown in previous paintings. And we'll show some flowers fallen down. They can be red or white or any other color. Actually, light mauve color may also look nice on this background. I think white will look better. They are not outshining. Or we can have a combination of these two. Once this purple will dry, then I will give touch of white paint. Story of Vaman Avatar. After many wars, the invincible Bali had conquered heaven and earth. The Suras approached Vishnu to save them from complete obliteration. Vishnu refused to join the war or outright kill his own devotee Mahabali. To restore the natural order, he incarnated as the dwarf Brahmin avatar Vamana. Lord in this avatar was known as Vamana because he was dwarf in form at the beginning. He was known as Trivikarma because he is the one who has conquered the three worlds, earth, upper world and nether worlds. Assuming a very big form, Vamana with one step covered the whole earth, and with the second step the mid world between earth and heaven. As there was nowhere left to go, the demon king lowered his head and suggested Vamana place his foot on it for the promised third step. विष्णु बौने के रूप में थे. पहले उन्होंने महाबली की तारीफ करी and then humbly requested the great giver the grant of a piece of land big enough for him to cover in just 3 strides. Wish granted, he immediately increased his form, it was reported, till he had measured the sky and the earth in 2 paces. The Vaman Avatar's purpose was to defeat the demon king Mahabali. The demon king had ruled that the gods no longer owned the heavens and the earth, and so Lord Vishnu took on the form of his 5th avatar, Vaman, to defeat the king and restore balance to earth. With this, our Vaman Avatar painting is completed. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.